How are you? Dave Barodinelli here at MarineMax, Quincy, Massachusetts, and today we're aboard the 2015 510 Sea Ray Sundancer. This boat we sold brand new, and I've always serviced it since new. It only has 170 hours on it. It has QSC Cummins 550 horsepower Zeus drives with joystick control. Starting in the aft, we've got a cockpit electric grill, along with an ice maker, full teak inside of the cockpit, and this also has the stainless steel door entry, which was a $20,000 option from Sea Ray. You'll notice the door opens all the way, giving you a nice open feel from the cabin right into the cockpit. Up top here, you've got storage along with another refrigerator under here, flat screen TV, accordion countertops, freshwater sink. You have a great seating area here on the starboard side with a beautiful solid wood table. Here at the helm, you've got great visibility, nice big windows, very little blind spots in this boat. This boat has a full Ray Marine electronics package, dual screens. These are all touchscreen. These will have all your engine management on them. You'll notice your digital throttles here, along with your joystick control. You can put this boat just about anywhere. Moving down to the cabin, you'll notice this boat with the big open windows. You don't get the dungeon feel like you do on most express boats. Here on the starboard, you've got a great big L couch. This does pull out to make another berth. Here you've got a flat screen TV, Bose surround sound. Moving forward, we've got our full instrumentation here for all of our electronic panels, Sat TV, stereo. And here in the VIP stateroom, you do have a power assisted bed, which is in the up position, giving you some more room here to move around. And then this, of course, powers down, making a full-size berth with an inner spring mattress. And here is your guest VIP head, beautifully finished, separate shower stall, vacuum flush toilet. Moving aft port, you'll notice we've got a nice area here of galley. We've got a 2-burner stove, plenty of storage, underneath the sink storage, garbage, nice big freshwater sink, and you do have a full-size refrigerator along with freezer and microwave above that. The whole side windows do give you a lot of natural light in here as well. Moving aft, you do have a full beam master stateroom. Here you've got a freshwater sink. Moving aft, you have another, this is your master head, separate shower stall, along with vacuum flush toilet, beautiful tile. And here you've got a full-size berth, inner spring mattress. Again, you have another Bose surround sound system inside of here. You have 2 hanging closets. Flat screen TV is back here on this bulkhead. And behind you, this boat also has your washer-dryer combo. Again, Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Quincy, Massachusetts on the pre-owned 2015 510 Sea Ray Sundancer. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach me at 401-569-387. Thanks again.